Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is the look I'm going to be doing today. It's a simple, easy makeup look which you can carry every day. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Deep Brow Pomade. This is in the shade Graphite. I'm going to start from the bottom of my brows, creating a thin line to the arch and also to the top of my brows using a very soft hand. Then I'm gonna fill my brows in, and then I'm also going to make some hair strokes at the front of my brows. Now let's start to clean up with the concealer. I'm gonna use the Derma Camouflage Creme Concealer by Krylon. It's very thick and also has a good coverage. I'm using a round thick brush by Coastal Scents. It's a synthetic brush and also very useful to cleaning out under the brows. You can also clean above your brows. I always do this when I really want a sharp look. For my lid, I'm using a Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline in the shade Light 10. Then to set the base, I'm using the Maybelline Clear Smooth Compact Powder. It's in the shade Light. This powder is super light and it has an SPF of 32 PA, which also helps protect your skin from the sun exposure. And then I'm using the 925 eyeshadow palette from the Lakme, and I'm going to take the two shades from this palette. They look super gorgeous, as the name of the shades has not been mentioned on the palette, but I guess I'm taking the copper shade, which is the third one, and also the fourth shade, which is a burgundy in color. This eyeshadow is very smooth in texture and it also has a little amount of shimmer in it. From the same palette, I'm using this shade over here. It's a golden shade and I'm gonna use it to highlight underneath my brows. I'm using the Color Bar Primer as I'm not applying any foundation, but it is necessary to apply a primer before applying any face product. The Fit Me Concealer underneath my eyes, the same shade 10, and also at the areas where I think I need a bright look, as I want to balance the rest of my face so that it looks complete with the look I want. It really has a good coverage and it also blends very easily. I love this concealer so much and I also find it very pigmented. And with the Clear Smooth Compact Powder by Maybelline, I'm just going to set the areas where I have put concealer and also under my neck area. I'm using the Bobbi Brown Bronzing Powder in the shade Deep Brown. I love this product as I have mentioned it in my previous video as well. With the eyelash curler, I'm going to curl the lashes and I'm going to apply the Hypercurl Mascara by Maybelline. I don't want a dramatic look, so I thought this mascara is the best suitable for my lashes as it adds a little volume and also gives a nice curl and it also lengthens my lashes. For the lips, I'm using a 925 Lakme matte lipstick in the shade Mauve Cooler. I actually found this shade a little lighter for my lips, but it's a beautiful shade. It's very soft, creamy, and it has a smooth texture. Then, to intensify the shade, I'm going to use the shade San Paulo by NYX. I actually love this shade so much. For my cheeks, I'm just going to dab with my finger a little product from the NYX lipstick just to add a pinkish look. For the highlight, mixing two shades, I'm using the gold shade and the shimmery pinkish shade on my cheekbones, on the tip of my nose, a bridge of the nose, on the forehead, and also at the chin area. that was the final look. Hope you guys enjoy watching my channel. Bye, guys.